Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up screen lock as a password in our Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To set up a password, we have to go to the settings, then we're looking for lock screen, and at the top we have our screen lock types. Password, letters and numbers. Let's say continue. Yes, again to confirm. Okay. Done. No, thank you for remote lock. And let's see if it works. And it works, of course. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.